How's it going? What's going on? No, nothing. I have a new wall. I've been getting lots of love on my newly decorated wall. I vlogged doing the whole entire thing. Honestly, I didn't really know what I was doing, so it's not like a DIY, like this is the following steps. I really just did what worked for me to try to get this look together. I've had this planned out in my head for a good 3 months, and I'm so happy I finally got it done. Like, look at it. Do you guys see that? It came out absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to decorate it more. The process has just begun. I know you guys want like a home tour. Listen, baby, my studio is not the way that I want it just yet, so that's going to have to wait a little while. You guys watch my July vlog, you guys can see like an empty studio tour, so make sure you guys watch that. If you guys want to see how I achieve this wall, continue watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Or whatever. I got this yesterday. I'm so happy. So look at it. Look at the shrub. Of course, sorry, like you guys missed the unboxing. But I'm so excited to transform this and put it on this wall. You see how blank this wall is? I'm so excited to make this pretty. This is my first DIY. Like, I don't do DIYs often because I'd be like, I'm gonna mess it up. And I don't wanna mess it up, you feel me? So like, but imagine it. My wall is gonna be so cute. I feel like it's gonna bring some life into this place. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Probably gonna be doing that all weekend. Cause like, what else am I gonna do? I have strep throat. I need perfect lines, or kind of perfect lines. I'm gonna cut out the cardboard into this shape first, so I can make the perfect cutout. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That would make sense, right? Stop overthinking this, girl. Make it is perfect. All right, we're starting with this, and we are going to trace an X. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy pencil. Ignore the pretzels. The girl gotta eat, okay? This is what we're going for. So I finished tracing it. You can't really see it, can you? Whatever. Now we are cutting it. We are cutting it.
Since the accident, what did you give me? Cocktail of antipsychotics.
Okay, listen. I got 10 pieces. They're not like all exact. Oh, that last one is real thick, huh? Put these on the wall and see how they fit. Alright, I gotta see where's the first. Where am I gonna put the first one? Obviously, you're gonna be in this corner. This corner for 78, Bob. It looks so pretty. So it looks as if only 4 are gonna be able to fit. This is gonna look so good. My thing's gonna die. I'm gonna charge for now. Okay, bye. Okay, so since my camera died, we're just gonna switch to this really quickly. But look how dope this is gonna be. I put the placements up so I could like trace where they are, but I'm so excited. So I am painting right now. My camera was dead, so I just started anyway. It's getting a little late. It's like 7 something right now, but I'm using one of these little spongy thingamajiggers because honestly, it's real fast. I knew it'd be faster than a paintbrush, so I'm glad I went with my instincts. They dry really quick, so we're just gonna do the rest of them. What, 4 down, 5 to go. So it's time for the fun part. I'm about to start cutting these bad boys up. Here it is. Uh-oh. I have to do it reverse. I think I have to do it reverse. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look. If this is my green side, yeah. Just put it reverse, Fania, duh. Uh-oh. These aren't fitting. This is not fitting. Oh no. I got carried away. Okay, so I have these are crooked. Oh my gosh. Damn, bro. I messed up. I messed up. How are we gonna make them all fit? Okay. So it's like, which side do I line up? The bottom or the top? I'm gonna line up the top because the bottom, they fat anyway. This is an issue. This is a problem. So I definitely made these too big. Oh! Oh, jeez, Fania, what are you doing? Yeah, all of these are like crooked. But you know what? We're still gonna make them work anyway. Anyhow. Bro, obviously I should have done exact measurements. I was like, nah, I can restyle. Now look at me. Looking dumb. Looking stupid. That's what she is. You dumb. So stupid? Don't you bet on you. I mean, yeah. So like this will work for now.
This guy?
I don't think my glue gun's working.
Definitely belongs in that file.
We have to figure this out. So we just finished the first one. How do I look? This looks so nice. I think I'm gonna add some more to like this corner, but this is gonna look amazing. So I'm gonna just go do all 10 of them. But yeah, progress. I finished them. My thumb is so sore. I don't know if you guys can see it. From all that cutting, it is inflated. So I just finished it. I finished all my glue. Here are all the other pieces. Now we just gotta put it up. Whoop, whoop. Yeah! This is exciting. This is getting my juices all pumped. 2 fucking more. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Hey, this shit lit. Guys, it's done. Whew, I am tired. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. This has been an all-day project, but it's come out so lovely. Can't wait to show you guys in the light. Look how awesome it looks. I have to clean up because it made a big mess. But look how awesome. Good morning. Hey, look at it. Hey. My thumb is still very much swollen, but I am so happy with the way that it turned out. My house is still a mess, but I love it. I still have a lot left over. What, like 3 sheets and a whole pile. So what I decided to do, because today is my cleaning day because I can't live in this mess no more. It's really messing me up. So what I decided to do is I want to cover these like little mark thingies on the side of my desk. So I'm going to put a panel here, and then hopefully that doesn't take too much. And then I was thinking, I think because I have 3 panels left, I'll have enough to cover this wall. So my goal is to cover at least up to here. 3 panels will cover this completely. I'll fill in with like the leftovers, and then hopefully the leftovers will go down all the way. So this wall is gonna be completed today too. Even though my thumb hurts so much and I have maybe like this much glue left, we're gonna see, we're gonna make it work because that's what we do. I've been working, y'all. Not cleaning, but working. I did my bathroom wall. Okay, ignore my laundry. Yes! All the way down to the floor, yes! Oh! Oh! Hey! Hey! Who not finna be taking all the selfies right here? Hello? Huh? Hey! So happy. I just want to clean now because like, oh, look, oh my gosh, it's so dirty, it's so messy. Who knew arts and crafts was so messy? Ta-da! My desk looks really messy right now, ignore it, but ta-da! Woo woo! We're done with my DIY day. I'm so happy how everything turned out. Yeah, love being creative sometimes.